Hi there, I'm Christian Scott. My pronouns are she, her. I live in Houston, Texas, and I'm a voice instructor here at Your Lessons Now. My background is in vocal music education, and I've been teaching voice for about 12 years. I got my first high school choir director position during the last year of my graduate studies, which was fun. I went on to graduate with a master's in choral conducting and continued my teaching adventures. Let me take this time to share that I'm a pan-cis girl, and I've been with Your Lessons Now for about 2 years. I love working with our Your Lessons Now students because it's been a cathartic, invigorating, and fulfilling way for me to use my vocal pedagogy knowledge and also engage with students that traditional music or communication settings often forget. I'm an astronomy nerd, I enjoy jogging, and I love sci-fi. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about me, and I hope you join us soon. Tap that like and subscribe for more content like this.